Good day everyone, today I have a tutorial for you on how to turn a text into a video by using AI. I'm going to be using an example of AI Invideo.io. This is the service that allows you to create videos by using the text prompts and turn your text into the full video. So if you're a content creator or just a person that wants to create a short or a longer video, I'm going to help you how to do that. Okay, so looking on the basic functionality of this particular AI generator, so what do we have here? We have a model, but only one of them is available for now, so just keep this as it is. And so this is basically a place where you have to input your text and where all the magic is going to happen. But before that, I highly suggest you choose or try choosing a workflow. So basically this is kind of like a subject or a theme of your video that you're going to create. So depending on what you want to create a video for example, a platform or anything, right? So for example, if you want to create a YouTube Shorts, right? So you click on this button and it will generate for you a vertical video that you can then upload and use on YouTube. But it's going to be a vertical video, so you can also use it on other platforms like Instagram for Reels, for example, or you can upload it to TikTok. So whatever that may be. You can also click on Explore All, but for now, as I can see, there's only 4 of these that are available, like these presets, so you can just go with them. But for now, this is one of the best AI text-to-video generators that I personally have experienced, so I highly recommend you use this one. Also, if you want to buy a premium subscription, you can also try creating AI generated video by using your own voice. As you can see, you can try this as well. You just have to pay for a purchase first, and then you will be able to upload a sample of your voice, and it will use your voice to create basically a clone of your voice, and then you can turn your voice into a video basically. So this is how it works. Yeah, so basically I have input this prompt here, best places to visit in Reykjavik. So I'm going to go with this one, and I will show you the functionality of this AI generator. So also do not forget that the more specific you get with your inputs, like with what you're typing in here with your text, basically the more detailed you are, the better video you're gonna get. Because if you input more details, like you're being more specific, you're adding more words, more explanations, your end result is going to be higher quality. If you, for example, typed in something like I have here, like this title is quite simplistic, very simple actually, so I'm not inputting any sort of additional details in here, just a basic explanation of what I want to see in the video. So just keep in mind that you should be, if you want to get a really accurate and beautiful and just a quality result from turning a text into a video, just be sure that you're more specific. Okay, and in terms of being more specific, so we also already have some things that might determine like what platform you want to upload your video to after you generate it. Like if you want to use YouTube Shorts, for example, and stuff, so you actually might be inputting what kind of platform you want to use this for, but I just suggest going for the usual explanation. And also keep in mind that, for example, things like what basically you might consider inputting into your prompt, right? So platform surely is something that matters, but later on when the video will be generated, you will be able to change that. You will be able to change the resolution, the aspect ratio as well. So just do not forget that you're supposed to just, of course, input the kind of topic you want to make a video on, right? So the topic, also you might want to consider inputting a duration. You can also actually edit that later, but you could do that as well. So you can also change what kind of tone of the voice is going to be present in the video. So this video will make a video and a voiceover for you. So you can change a tone. You can say you want a female voice or a male voice. Just keep in mind that these are the kind of details that you should generally be putting in the title. Now enough talking, I'm just going to press the generate a video button and we'll see what's going to happen. It's going to think and we're gonna receive our result in just a bit. Okay, so now that I have my processing finished, now we have other different types of settings available after the video has processed. And as you can see, we have audience. You can choose from these templates here. You can choose look and feel, and of course a platform that you want to at the end upload this video to. You can also press the edit prompt button in here, and you can add more information, for example, that you may have forgotten to add, or maybe you want to like create something entirely new, so you can do that as well. I'm just going to press continue, and now as you can see we are taken into a new page where it's creating our video, and as you can see we already have our edit button here. It's not available yet because the video is not done yet, and also our export button. So let's just wait until it generates. And now I finally have my video ready. So as you remember, I did not write anything regarding the length of the video, so it just made a 2-minute and 39-second video. So we have this new page. I mean, it's sort of the same page, but we have different things to choose from in here. Okay, so basically this is where you can edit your video from now on. So you can also preview the different type of qualities if you want. You can do that as well. Basically, this field here in the bottom is responsible for editing your video, right? So if, for example, you really don't like something and you want to change a particular scene, or you want to change a tone that's the video is being basically the voice that's used in the video, if you want to change that, you can do that here. So I'm just going to preview the video a bit for you so that you can see what kind of result you might be expecting.
Ever wondered what makes Reykjavik a must-visit destination? Nestled between majestic mountains and the vast North Atlantic Ocean, this city is not just Iceland's capital, but a hub of culture, history, and breathtaking natural beauty.
True that. So as you can see, it really isn't a bad voiceover, I would say. I have seen some worse ones, so this one's not that bad. But anyway, so if you press on edit button, so naturally your video consists of different scenes, right? So as you can see, these are just parts of videos, right? So one of them is 12 seconds, another 11, some of them are 9, 4, you know, and basically you can edit every single one of these scenes, and you can also change the text as well that's being spoken in the video. You can also change the tone. You can, for example, if you want to completely remove a male voice and add a female voice, you can do that as well. You can upload your own media as well and include this media into this video that you're making, or you can also search for media here, and the search bar you can type in. Okay, so basically you use this search bar here to quickly find the media that you want to put in your video instead of the original one that our AI has given us, right? So if, for example, all right, let's say I want to swap, for example, this video, I can just, maybe I want to add an image instead, right? You can do anything you want. So most of these are premium. There's a premium header here. Some of them are not. So yeah, basically from now you can edit anything in the way you'd like. And from now, basically, if you don't like a certain part of your video, like a certain scene, you just select the scene from here, from the list, from the top, you press on it, click on it, and then you type in some kind of, just something you want to have, something new in the video, and then you just click on any of the images from the search here below, and as you can see, it shows us a replace button, and it will replace this video a certain other piece of media that you would like. Okay, and from here your imagination may completely take over, and from here you can create anything you want. If you don't like certain parts of the video, you can change them. You can increase or decrease the length of your video, and it's basically up to you from here what to do next. When you're finished, just click on the export button, export video, and from here you're given a choice to include watermarks. You can choose a resolution, choose a AI branding, and from here your video is basically done. You can download it to your computer. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.